YouTube, what's going on? We back at it. Cuts by Mike, Clean Cuts Barbershop, Independence, Missouri. If you're ever in the KC area, come see me. Right here, we got my stepson Amari with the undercut, getting a medium skin fade, high skin fade. There'll be no C cup, so call it what you want. Right now, we come in with our Babyliss Gold FX trimmer. Make a nice line around the head, then clear out the bulk. Hey, if you got a chance, shoot over to the Young Life's YouTube page. Check out his little video, B.Mars. Holla at him. All right, let's get into this cut. I got my all black Stylecraft Rebels. Nice clipper. Got two of them. My regular rotation. One in, one out. We come through with the no guard open. Go about 3/4 of an inch, a little over a 1/2 inch guideline. Alright, no guard open. Get the hair right where you want it to be. All the same length. Close it up halfway, start attacking that line. Go up about halfway in the guideline, using your corners as much as you can. I use my whole blade a lot, but I use my corners also. Then we close it 3/4 of the way, move down in the guideline and attack that dark line. Close it all the way up. In some cases it'll remove it all the way. In other cases you might have to get the trimmer back out. Little trigger play right here, just hitting some dark spots I see. Next we come in with our half guard open. I usually don't do this, but it seems to be helping on detail work. I don't have to do as much detail work when I come back down the face. We'll go half guard open, then we'll go middle, and then we'll go closed, and hopefully that takes out the line. If it don't, you go back to no guard open, and you just attack the dark spots with the corner of your clipper. Usually I use my half guard as a detailing guard only, but it seems to be speeding up the process a little bit for me. I'm just hitting them dark spots, open and closing the lever where I feel like I need it. We'll work this guard out until we're satisfied. And don't be scared to take your time. Everything ain't about doing a 30-minute cut. You just cut it until it's clean, until it's to your liking, and then you move on to the next step. Next we come in with the one guard open. Do the same thing, same process. It's just repetitive over and over. That's why you should be getting better with every fade you do, because once you do the same thing over and over, you know the steps. It comes quicker to you and you get the job done. So we go no guard open, then we go halfway, and then we go close to finish out that line. As you can see, I don't got to come back and do much detailing work with my half guard because everything's just blending right into each other. Alright, you can see that's looking pretty clean. Maybe just a little detailing work. I'm gonna come back with my half guard 3/4 of the way open. Hit some of them dark spots. Close it as needed. That's looking crispy. Next we got the 1.5 guard all the way, maybe all the way open. Knocking off that bulk. Make sure you got the hair up pretty good. Sucks when you snag somebody. Open, middle, closed. I see a little bit of dark spots. I'll probably come back with the one guard 3/4 of the way open. Clean up some of them dark spots. Yep, there you go. That face looking crispy. A little more detailing work. I apologize, I didn't get to record the back. The video went blurry, so I was at least able to show you the back. We move on to the right side. I'm gonna speed this up a little bit because it's pretty much just the same process. We're gonna go trimmers, clear out the bulk. Next we got no guard open. Might look like I go over that too many times, but I'm trying to make sure the hair is all knocked down to the right length. We close it up halfway, go halfway up the step. 3/4 of the way, just attacking away at that line. Then we go all the way close, hopefully get rid of that line. Little corner action, I see some dark spots. Next we come in with the half guard all the way open, going up about a 1/2 inch. Cut, comb, cut, comb. Get all that extra hair that's just laying there out the way. And we'll go middle. And then we'll go 3/4 of the way close. And then we'll go all the way close to finish out this. With each guard, I mean, you just detail as much as you feel like you need to. Next, we come in with the one guard all the way open. Once we get everything cut down to where we like it, we go middle. Then we go closed. I mean, look at that blend. That's why I've been using my half guard as a step instead of just detailing like normal. Then we come in with our 1.5, all the way closed. Looks like it's closed. Knock down all that bulk. Come back with our one guard, I'm sure. Touch it up. Yep. 3/4 of the way open. Open and close as needed. And then we move on to the lineup. Now on the lineup, we brush all the hair down. Spray it with whatever you like, spritz or hairspray. Blow dry it if you need to. We start in the middle. We work our way to the right. Gotta get a little cosmetic on his line. He doesn't have the perfect box, but when we're done, we'll give him a nice, clean box and keep it as natural as we possibly can. Pushbacks ain't no good, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. My liners are almost zero gap, not completely, so that way I don't really tear the skin up. You press too hard, of course. Now we move on to the other side, and we're gonna go from the center to the left. Make sure to get all that hair off of there. Nice, clean, sharp lines. Hey, if you made it this far, I truly appreciate you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share if you want. Like I said, this is my youngin' B.Mars. Go check out his YouTube page.